Alright, so today we're working with a Super Nintendo. Cosmetically, it's not in terrible shape. The main issue that it has is that the power port is broken. Usually it has a little plastic piece in the middle. Now, it technically still works like this, but you have to have a very specific position for the port. So what we're going to do is we're going to replace that power port, and then we're going to give it a quick scrub just to get it a little bit cleaner. There's some discoloration there that I can hopefully get off with cleaning it, and it should be good to go. So we're down to the motherboard now, and this is where it gets a little bit tricky. As you guys see, this plastic piece is under this metal piece down here. The way that it's soldered, it's these 2 points right here. It needs to come up this way to get those pins out from under the board. It's going to take a little bit of finessing, but we can do it. And with that, the Super Nintendo is assembled again. It's got its new port, as you guys can see. Unfortunately, I don't have a power cable at the moment, but I will put a test clip at the end of this video to show you guys if it worked or it didn't work, but I am confident in this repair. I've done them before. So with all that out of the way, I guess I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya.